On Friday, February 3rd, the Lady Bears played a doubleheader with the Edmonson County Cats. First up were the Lady Bears. They played very hard and gave a very respectable challenge, but ultimately fell to the Cats with a score of 36-49. The scores are as follows. Cheyenne White scored 6 points, Madeline Drake scored 5 points, Chloe Fleener scored 4 points, Kasasha Turner scored 4 points, Allie Easley scored 2, and Katie Graham scored 1. It was also Katie Graham's 16th birthday. The boys' team followed this and began the game very headstrong and intent on winning. The Bears began the game with a sizable lead over the Cats, but by the fourth quarter the scores were tied. But in the end the Bears prevailed and beat the Cats with a score of 46-44. Trevor Jenkins scored 11 points, Elijah Fleener scored 9 points, including the game winner with 6 seconds remaining. Jackson Washer scored 8 points, Brandon Thomas scored 6 points, Zeke Woodcock scored 6, and Dylan Goodall scored 6. For this game, there was a cheering section composed of students in custom t-shirts and blue body paint. The school spirit was alive and well with this group. They cheered for the entire game in support of the Bears. To read more on this story, please visit www.beechtreenews.com.